Hello folks, welcome to another Cook With Me with Yardabelly TV. Today the wifey is preparing a very quick and easy chopped salad with a garlicky satay sauce. Yes man, this is one of those salads that you want to enjoy while you are, watching your weight. And if you don't want any rice or anything that's too heavy, this is a great one to, try out in your neck of the woods. Just before we get into the video, remember to like this video and share it if you can. And if you have not yet subscribed to the Yardabelly TV channel, please do so. Big up on yourself, and remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Let's get into the kitchen with wifey as she prepares this awesome, delicious salad. Let's go.
So the starting ingredient is our bell pepper, which I am using a whole one, just chopped. And after you chop that, you just set it aside. And we're going to move on to our stalk of celery. Yes, we're using one celery stalk and just cutting those into somewhat of a slivers. Okay, we have some cilantro leaves, chopping those up finely also for the sprinkle. And then we have some grated carrots. Actually used only one medium-sized carrot for this dish, and I used a whole cucumber, which of course we went ahead and cut into small cubes and set that aside. Of course, we have our scallions. I'm gonna just do the same thing and do the same thing with our purple onions. Why not? Purple onions give any salad an amazing flavor. So I just go ahead and add all the ingredients in a glass bowl, and now I'm moving on to making my homemade dressing. Fancy, right? Yeah. So we have a whole joint of ginger that I chopped up, and I used 2 garlic cloves along with that, and just put them in a small bowl so that we can add all the ingredients necessary. Now I'm going ahead and adding some somewhat semi-melted peanut butter. Yeah, we're giving it somewhat of an Asian vibe. Yes, so the peanut butter is going to give it a nice kick. Now I'm adding some soya sauce. We added 3 tablespoons of soya sauce for this one. And of course, our Asian vibe needs some sesame seed oil. So I added 1 tablespoon of that. And for a sweet kick, we're also adding some maple syrup, 1 tablespoon. All right. And come on now, we know we cannot omit the spice. So we have some pepper sauce that we added in, and now we're gonna just blend together all the ingredients, whip it together. And after you whip it, you're ready to add it. So I just pour it into the salad, and you're gonna pretty much just stir it together, and so that all of the salad ingredients would get some of the dressing, and we would be all set and ready to go. So again, if you're looking for something a little bit more nutritious, something that is lighter and low carb, trust me, you want to try this salad. You will not be disappointed. And of course, adding some mixed nuts for the crunch factor. All right, now it's time for the taste testing. Can I tell you, it was delicious. You have to try it. Thanks for making it Yardabelly TV. Continue to watch and subscribe, and we will talk to you on our next one. Bye.